Hello, so I thought it might be nice to give you a quick update on what's going on for me. I was hoping that the V70 would be absolutely perfect before I started this job. I've got the V70 up to 298k at the moment, but it requires a front caliper. Unfortunately, it's been binding and I've not noticed because of being preoccupied with the other jobs going on. And the D-bush is doing on the rear anti-roll bar, so they're going to have to wait a little bit. I've started on the 335, removing the turbos. Now this is quite a big job because the turbos are located down at the bottom of the engine, and the engines on these are slanted like that, so you can't access them from the top. So what you've got to do is drop the subframe. So I'm not quite finished yet. I've got the steering rack to manoeuvre out so that I can get the subframe out fully, and your turbos are one's here and another one on the other side of the steering rack. So that's what's been keeping me busy over the last week or so, but it's not particularly pleasant working on the ground under the car, but unfortunately my friend's workshop where I normally do the more difficult jobs is well and truly full, so I've had to make do with what I've got and try and get on with the job. So send me some luck, and hopefully within the next few weeks I'll have this finished. I'll have the turbos sent off and the actuator arms drilled out and replaced, and obviously I'll get the cores replaced if they need doing, and you'll get an update when the car's done. So I've had a bit of help from a friend and got the subframe out position, so I'll be able to get started on removing the downpipes and get to the turbos during the week, so that's good news. And I'll get on with the other jobs on the V70, so it could also do with a couple of the injectors reseating. And I've got the lower arms to do on the 1 series, so very busy, and you'll see some more videos soon. Thanks for watching and thanks for keeping up to date. I'll see you in the next one.